Industry analysts say quadcopters or drones are going to be an item many people want this holiday shopping season. I spoke with a hobby shop owner and area farmers about drones' practical uses.
Retailers say there's going to be a hot item this holiday.
Nationwide, we're seeing a lot of interest in quadcopters, or drones as people call them.
Lesh says in the last few months, interest for drones has increased.
Starting last Christmas, we saw a significant increase in them. They've become much more popular. There are a lot of, they're easy to fly. Some of the quads were introduced with the ability to fly them from your iPhone or your iPad.
The popularity of drones may be due to their easy learning curve.
Quadcopters have made, an aerial platform for a camera very easy to fly, something that anybody can pick up and learn to do.
And that's just what Henderson County farmer Matthew Scott did.
I watched a few educational videos online just to learn how to get it all started and put the propellers on it. And then just took off out in the parking lot and went from there.
Jameson Wilcoxon at Security Seed and Chemical says farmers may be one of the largest group of drone customers.
Drones are really going to be used in agriculture mainly as a scouting tool and allowing us to see places in the field that we might not be able to see from the ground and be able to give us an idea of where to go look at.
Area farmers say they use drones like the one filming me right now to scout out areas of their crops they might never have been able to see before.
In the past, we basically took the tractor and planter out there and drove around in the standing crop trying to find the thinnest places and replanted those.
Jameson says the quadcopters could result in farmers applying chemicals in a more precise way.
For applying chemical, they'll have a small tank on it, and I think that is going to be able to benefit. Instead of doing a blanket over their entire field, we're going to be able to target those certain areas.
Lesh says customers this holiday season will have many options.
We have some that'll start out around $30 for very tiny ones that are, maybe, an inch or 2 inches in diameter. That would be for indoor flight, up through $1,300.
Matthew likely spent 4 figures for his quadcopter, but he says it was money well spent.
It's definitely worth it to us as a business on the farm for what we're getting out of it. That particular model of drone is one of the more expensive models with a higher definition camera than what somebody might want for personal use.
High definition cameras like Matthew's have some people worried.
Yeah, there are obviously privacy concerns with, first person view cameras where people can see, what the quad is seeing in real time.
Matthew says these features are what make it so usable on his farm.
You can use it to scout your crops, watch equipment running in the field. You can use it to inspect buildings or other structures on your property.
Jameson says beyond this holiday shopping season, drones could change the agriculture industry.
I think it's going to be a big deal. It's going to allow us to see places in fields and not have to actually physically get out there. It's going to increase our efficiency. It's going to increase the farmer's efficiency, which in the end is going to help everybody with cost.
I don't think every farmer will have it. It just depends on each individual's willingness to adapt to new technology, but I definitely think they're going to become more common.
The U.S. Transportation Secretary says a registration program for drones is in the works and the process to register should be announced by November 20th. Braden Harp, 44 News.